Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You should set up a QuickBooks credit card account in the chart of accounts for each credit card you use for your business. Like any QuickBooks account, a credit card account has its own register. This register lists all the charges and credits you've recorded as well as payments you've made. To create a credit card account, first open the Chart of Accounts window by selecting Lists, Chart of Accounts from the menu bar. Click the Account button in the lower left corner of the Chart of Accounts window, and then select the New command from the pop-up menu. In the Add New Account, choose Account Type window. Select the Credit Card Option button and then click the Continue button to open the Add New Account window. Enter the name for the credit card account into the Account Name field. You can enter an account number into the Number field if account numbering is enabled within your QuickBooks company file. Enter the account's description and credit card account number into the fields within the Optional section if desired. After you have added the information you want to record, click the Save and Close button to create the credit card account.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.